Say happy birthday. Come on, you can do it. It's Eun-Ji's birthday.
Happy birthday, Yun-Ji.
Joyeux anniversaire Youn-Ji.
Happy birthday, Eun-Ci.
Happy birthday, Eun-Ji.
Happy birthday, Eun-Ji. Hope you get to do all your favorite things.
Happy birthday to my friend Yun-Ji.
Wishing you a very happy birthday from the tip of my tail to the end of my nose. And may all your dreams come true.
Breaking news. It's Youn-Ji's birthday? How is that even possible? Didn't we just celebrate this last year? Stay tuned for a rundown on all the birthday party festivities.
Happy birthday, my friend Yun-Ji.
Happy birthday, Eun-Ji.
Happy birthday, Yun-Ji.
Can you help me find Youn-Ji's party?
Happy birthday, Eun-Ji.
Happy birthday, Yun-Ji.
Wait, what? You can talk? Please subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment. Maybe tell me something special about your dogs. Now, let's get Eun-Ji's party started.